Hey guys, welcome back to Bobbie and Cece. It is just Bobbie today, and we are going to be talking about elf. This is awkward. I ordered the new bite-sized duos, and we are going to be looking at that today. So if you are interested to see those new elf duos, then just keep watching. We got the little elf duos. Get on the go cheeky glow with this highlighter and blush duo. I do appreciate that it looks like it's wide enough to fit a brush in, but it is short. So I actually really appreciate the way that this is, because I feel like we should have a lot more bite-size makeup. So these duos are going to be our sole focus of today's video. So let's open them and then get to swatching. All right. So this little guy, this is what it looks like without the sticker on it. I imagine that they're going to be hung up when you go to like Walmart or whatever, that you're going to get them. So they do have this sticker is over the top and then around on the back. You can see what the shade name is on this, so when you pick it out, you know, because most people aren't like talking about it and needing to know what the shade name is like off the top of their heads. But, ooh, well, I'll have to show you on the next one because this one just busted. All right, there is a little peel here that you just pull. This is so hard because, okay, there we go. And then this whole thing lifts up and pulls off, and there is a little dude on the back that says what the shade is. There are 8 of these, but I only have 5. I did not pick up watermelon, cantaloupe, or guava, but I did pick up the rest. I chose the ones that I wanted based it solely on what I thought I would wear, and I have so many blushes, like I literally have a million blushes, so it feels pretty good when you swatch it, like when you rub your finger in it. It doesn't have a scent, which I prefer in my products. Excuse the like craziness going on in my arm, because like I filmed this eye look and I used loose pigment, and loose pigment exploded amongst my whole area. So like every time I put my arm down, I'm touching something that my bad. All right, so these are the first two. I'm gonna lean back just so you can get like a better idea of what we're looking at here. So we are going to be putting these on our face. So this coconut one, when I saw it first, when I saw this coconut one, I thought that I maybe could like use it as like a bronzer. So I am going to scooch you guys in a little bit closer. I am going to be trying this one out as a bronzer, and then I'll probably be using Pomegranate as a blush, just because right now I am more red and I don't have anything on my face, so it's literally like a blank canvas, and I'm gonna need this little bit of red, but probably use which one's this one? Peach, the white peach highlighter, just to like give a little bit of something. Perfect. All right, so let's give this guy a go for like a bronzer. We don't know how this is gonna work. This could be terrible. This could be the worst idea I've ever had, but we're gonna give it a go. Interesting. I mean, I actually really like it. I think it's cute. I about dipped it into this, and man, that would have been a mistake. I can say if you're not into like a shimmery bronzer, like maybe not for you, because obviously it's a little shimmery. Now, I'm gonna take a powder brush. Ouch. So I'm gonna take a powder brush and I'm gonna kind of go over it again. Just like give her a little extra blendy blend. Just to make sure things are sitting pretty good. All right, so I am going to go in with my Anastasia bronzer just to hit right here and then, you know, hit my temples a little bit to get a little bit of matte action going on. Get some, not necessarily contour, but like some contour action. So this is kind of what we've got going on right now. I feel like that worked really well. Oh, I wanted to swatch these two by each other. Hold on. So that's that Anastasia bronzer, and that's that highlighter, or blush. All right, I know what the light is from. I can see it now, and I'm annoyed. Let's change that for next time. All right, so now we're going to go into an actual, or they're all blushes, but we're gonna go into a blush to do a blush. So, we're gonna do Pomegranate. Actually, what did I just use? I used the coconut one. All right, this is Spiced Apple. Let's just try more than one. Let's do it. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. We love that. Okay, so like look at this side. And then this side obviously has nothing. Oh, I love this. I love this color. I love this color. Oh my god, that's cute. Oh, that's so cute. Spiced apple. This one is spiced apple. So if this is your jam, this color story is your jam, hop on it, $3. I feel like it's going on really smoothly. It really blends nicely into my bronzer, and I mean, maybe that's partially because it's the same brand. Maybe it's meant to do that. I don't know. But it does blend really nice into my bronzer, and I really like that. I love that. So that's that. That looks so cute. I almost don't want to put the other one on top. Okay, so I'm gonna use the peach bronzer. So let's see what this is. Let's see. This one is Lychee. So let's just put Lychee somewhere. All right, let's get a detailing brush. Let's do this one. All right, and then get a little bit of Lychee here. Ooh. That kick up. $3 though. Just saying. Let's hit that nose. I'm gonna pop it up here. Hit my chin with it. It is a more Bobbie looking one. I like that too. I mean, I picked colors I thought I would like, so there's that. All right, so now I am just going to go over like my face in a couple spots and hit it with this pomegranate one, because I have a lot of redness, and my face doesn't really match my body with the tone of redness, so I just usually go in with a blush that looks similar to this color, just to make sure that it's like close enough, you know. Ooh, that like picked up a lot. Okay, so let's do this on this cheek a little bit. Okay, I'm going with this. Do you feel like that made much of a difference? Because I don't. Well, that's okay. All right, so now we're gonna go in and we're gonna hit our cheekbones with our highlighter. We're going in with this one. So there are some like glitter chunks in this. If you're not a big fan of the glitter ones, just know that they are a little bit glittery. Yeah. Yep. I am rubbing the color of them off, so make sure they're like clean on a color switch situation. So just know that it's not like mixing together. Oh yeah, this one's glittery too. Give her a little brushy brush. All right, so that one's not as glittery, I would say. It's not glittery, just so you know. They do have like some like really shimmery reflect in it. This pomegranate one does. It's not as glittery, but the coconut one and the peach one, I'm pretty sure have glitter in them. There are glitter chunks in the coconut one. Based on like what I'm looking at my swatches, it looks like the coconut one has the most glitter in it. The white peach one does have a little bit of glitter in it. The pomegranate one does too. I imagine they probably all have a little bit of that glitter, a little bit of that type of reflect in it. Just know the coconut one is a little heavier on that glittery side. So if you are not into that, then maybe don't get that one. But I personally really like, for my skin tone, the coconut one for a bronzer. So I'm into that. I think that's really cute. And for those of you who are wondering like what shade or like level of skin, like obviously you can see that I'm pretty pale, but I use the NARS today. I guess I used the NARS foundation in Mont Blanc, but I did also mix a little bit of Y245 from Makeup Forever in together to get the shade that I have right now. I am a little darker than this Mont Blanc is right now because of summer and tanning, but in the winter, this is almost a perfect shade match for me. Almost, because there is no such thing. When you are as neutral as I am, there is no such thing as a perfect shade match, just so you know. I have yet to find one. All right, so how are we thinking? What do we feel about it? All right, so I turned my light down so we can look at these swatches one more time with better lighting, or not better lighting, but like not as direct lighting, I guess. All right, guys, so total final thoughts. Love. I love these little duos. These little duos are great. My favorite one is Spiced Apple. Is really, really cute. The color is really cute. I do feel like they're very wearable. They are very easy travel. I will let you know down in the not in the comment section, in the description box, I will let you know the wear time, like how long these were, because I do intend on wearing this all the way throughout the day, because I also need to test out these pigments. So just so that you are aware, that will be in the description box below. Make sure to read that if you are worried about wear time. But again, these are e.l.f. They are $3, and they do look very similar to the Cover FX ones. And just keep your eye out for a dupe video that will be comparing these guys with the Cover FX ones. Cece and I are both going to do some swatch comparisons from the one that she has versus the one that's most similar that I have. And then we are going to do a wear test on one cheek versus the other cheek, and then we will let you know how that goes. But just keep your eye out for that video, because that one is also going to be coming soon. Also, there will be a video coming up on this eye look and with the pigments that I used, giving you my thoughts and ideas about that. So also look out for that. But other than that, guys, thanks for hanging out with me, and I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. e.l.f. This says e.l.f. is for every lip, face. Oh, eye, lip, and face. I can read.